Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make video layout easy method. Start by sketching a storyboard and assign each shot a purpose like intro, demo, or CTA. Use a consistent 16:9 frame, place safe area guides, and mark where text and graphics will appear. Keep transitions simple and prioritize readable text and clear focal points. This planning saves editing time and helps your audience follow along naturally. Warm up your creative process by choosing one main visual hierarchy and sticking with it across the video. Decide on contrast levels, font choices, and a grid system so every scene feels connected. Place your headlines and captions within safe margins and leave breathing room around subjects. Keep animations subtle and purposeful, and always test on a small screen to ensure text remains legible and important visuals stay prominent. Start building practical templates by crafting an intro, a content layout, and an end card that you can reuse in every project. Save lower third presets, transition styles, and a color grade that suits your brand to maintain consistency. Organize these assets into folders so you can drag and drop during editing. Over time, this template library will drastically reduce production time and make your videos look cohesive and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.